Hey guys, in this video, I will give you full review on the n8n app. Is it worth it? Alright, let's begin. If you're looking for an automation platform that gives you full control, flexibility and transparency, the n8n app might just be what you need in 2025. As a powerful open source alternative to tools like Zapier or Make, n8n is designed for developers, tech-savvy teams, and businesses that want to automate workflows without giving up ownership of their data. But is it really worth using, and how does it compare in the current automation landscape? Let's break it down in this honest review and guide. N8n, short for Node to Node, is a workflow automation tool that connects apps APIs and services through visual nodes. You can create complex automations using a drag and drop interface, allowing you to integrate dozens or even hundreds of services without writing endless lines of code. What sets n8n apart is its self-hosting option, meaning you can run the entire system on your own server, giving you maximum privacy and customization. Using n8n is fairly straightforward once you get the hang of its node-based logic. You start by creating a workflow and then dragging different nodes like triggers, API calls, or actions onto the canvas. Each node represents a function pulling data from an app, transforming it, and pushing it elsewhere. Whether you're connecting Airtable to Slack, automating email reports, or triggering custom webhooks, n8n gives you granular control at each step. The platform supports hundreds of native integrations, but even better, it lets you easily build custom integrations using HTTP request nodes or JavaScript code blocks. Unlike Zapier, which often limits features unless you're on a premium plan, n8n provides unrestricted access to all its functionality, especially if you're self-hosting. And with the release of n8n Cloud, there's now a fully managed hosted version for teams who want convenience without infrastructure headaches. However, n8n isn't for absolute beginners. While it's user-friendly compared to raw scripting, it still requires some technical understanding, especially when building complex workflows or working with APIs. You might face a learning curve if you're not used to logic flows or data structures. So, in order to decide if n8n is worth it, you have to follow these steps. Evaluate how complex your automation needs are, consider whether you want to self-host or use a cloud version, and see if your team has the tech skills to use it effectively. If flexibility, control, and open source value matter most, n8n is absolutely worth it in 2025. And that's it. So that's all for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.